Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not scanning QR codes on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Camera. Here, you'll see an option called Scan QR Codes. Make sure this is enabled. If it's turned off, your camera won't scan any QR codes. Once it's switched on, go back and open your camera app. Now you should be able to scan QR codes directly using your camera with no problem. If at any point you want to disable this feature, you can simply go back to Settings and turn it off. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue with your iPhone camera not scanning QR codes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.